Welcome to AIM SSLC Facilitator. In the last class, we have discussed some proofs in trigonometry. In this class, we are discussing some more proofs in trigonometry. Let us see the first question. Prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A. Cosecant A plus cot A. In the proof, let us take LHS. LHS is equal to cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. In this one, we have to divide both numerator and denominator by sin A, because in the RHS cosecant and cot is present, but in LHS cos and sin are present. If we divide the numerator by sin, then cos by sin becomes cot, and here 1 by sin becomes cosecant. For this reason, we have to divide whole equation by sin A. In the next step, cos A by sin A means we get cot A, minus sin A by sin A means we get 1, plus 1 by sin A means we get cosecant A whole divided by cos A is there. Cos A by sin A means we get again cot A, plus sin A by sin A means we get plus 1, minus 1 by sin A means we get cosecant A. Here we have to use the identity, that is third identity. Third identity is 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosecant square A. Here if we take cot square to the RHS, we get 1 is equal to cosecant square A minus cot square A. So we have to substitute this one. We have to substitute this value instead of 1 in the numerator. Instead of 1 in the numerator, we have to substitute cosecant square A minus cot square A. So in the next step, cot A is as it is. Instead of 1, we have to write, minus is there, cosecant square A minus cot square A. Now put the positive sign, cosecant A is there, write as it is, whole divided by, you have to write the denominator as it is, there is no changes, cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. In the next step, cot A is there, I will write cosecant A now in the end, plus cosecant A. Here minus is there, minus cosecant square A minus cot square A. I just interchanged the terms. These two terms I have interchanged, divided by, I will write denominator as it is, cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Now we have to use the formula A square minus B square for cosecant square A minus cot square A. So in the next step, it is equal to cot A plus cosecant A is there, right as it is, cot A plus cosecant A. Now use the formula A square minus B square, so minus of cosecant A minus cot A into cosecant A plus cot A whole divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. I will take bracket for this one. Now see here, in this term and this term, cosecant A plus cot A plus cosecant A is there. Here also cosecant A plus cot A is there. Both are same, so we can take this as common. So I will take cot A plus cosecant A as common in the numerator. So cot A plus cosecant A, if I take it as common, here only 1 is remaining, 1 minus of, here cosecant A plus cot A is taken out. So remaining is cosecant A minus cot A. So I will write that one, cosecant A minus cot A whole divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. In the next step, write cot A plus cosecant A as it is, cot A plus cosecant A into 1 multiply minus within the bracket, so we get minus cosecant A, minus into minus plus, so plus cot A whole divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Now see that cot A plus 1 minus cosecant is there. Here also 1 plus cot A minus cosecant A. Both are same. This one and this one are same. See the signs. So this one and this one will get cancelled. So we get cot A plus cosecant A. This is nothing but RHS. Hence we have proved. See the next problem. Prove that 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to 1 minus tan A divided by 1 minus cot A whole square is equal to tan square A. So we have to prove these three are equal. In the proof, let us first take 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So I am taking that one. Consider 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. It is equal to, I will write 1 plus tan square A in the numerator as it is, 1 plus tan square A whole divided by 1 plus, I will write cot as 1 by tan, so we get 1 by tan square A. So in the next step, write as it is the numerator 1 plus tan square A by, here take the LCM of tan square A, so we get tan square A plus 1 whole divided by tan square A. It is equal to, see here, if we take the reciprocal of the denominator, when you get the multiplication sign, then 1 plus tan square A and tan square A plus 1 get cancelled. So tan square A will comes to numerator. So we get tan square A. Let it be equation 1. Now I will consider the second one. Consider 1 minus tan A by 1 minus cot A whole square is there is equal to, I will write 1 minus tan A in the numerator as it is divided by, write cot A as 1 by tan A because those are reciprocal, is equal to 1 minus tan A is as it is whole divided by, now take the LCM as tan A, so we get tan A minus 1 by tan A whole square is there. So in the next step we get 1 minus tan A by, now we have to take the minus as common in the denominator, so we get 1 minus tan A again whole divided by tan A whole square is there right? Whole square. Now 1 minus tan a is there into, I will take the reciprocal of the denominator, so we get tan a whole divided by minus of 1 minus tan a. Whole square is there, so put whole square, then it is equal to, see here, 1 minus tan a, 1 minus tan a will get cancelled, minus is there, minus square means again it becomes positive, so tan is there, we get tan square a. So let it be equation 2. From 1 and 2, we can easily say 1 plus tan square a by 1 plus cot square a is equal to 1 minus tan a by 1 minus cot a whole square is equal to tan square a. And hence proved.